It was the hardest exercise in the book. I'm feeling really bad. I don't think I should do this. I definitely should have drunk all that beer last night. Oh. Let me try this next set.
You alright, Phil?
Never again.
Shall we give that up as a bad idea then?
I'm not going to have to drink again.